Hi guys, welcome to East Anglia Car Audio. Here we have a 2016 Skoda Yeti. Just installed KENWOOD's DMX7525. So this has a 6.8 inch high definition screen. Comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So if I click into here, just go back, so you've got your home screen here, and then you've got your phone calls, messaging, podcasts, maps and music. So anything that's compatible from your phone will show up on here. So if I just click into, say, Google Maps, you've got it there, which is all voice activated for Siri and Hey Google for Android Auto. Come out. So down here you've got a digital radio, you've got your telephone button, so that'll just take you to your contacts, recent calls, just a quick function there. The other functions, mirroring, FM radio, you've got your Bluetooth audio, iPhone, USB, which we've located in the original factory position, so you can charge your phone or maybe put a USB stick with some music. This one also has an HDMI input, so on some vehicles we do add a Fire Stick, normally be in this glove box, and then we just install a twin USB socket to power the Fire Stick, and then you can watch your Prime, Netflix, BBC iPlayer, stuff like that. So any of these can be changed to the 4 on the home screen, whichever ones you prefer to use. Down here you got your touch button, so you got your volume up and down, your home button, voice, so if you didn't want to say Hey Siri or Hey Google, you could just press that and say your command, as well as the drop down screen. So your menus here, so you got your screen adjustment, display off, camera. So on this one we have installed KENWOOD's CMOS-230. So if I just pop it in a reverse, you've got your reversing camera. If I go back to the menu, if I press camera as well, so when you're driving you could view it at the same time. It also has parking guidelines, so if I come back here, just going back to settings, and then if I go to input, parking guidelines on, and then I can go setup, and then you can adjust these. So normally what we do, we'd put something 2 feet away, and then we can move the lines, the red one to the 2 feet, and then 2 feet, 4 feet, and then 6 feet. So that's handy if you wanted to use them. And also you got your DSP equalizer, so if you did an audio system, it's very good for that, so you can control everything from here. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that it also has a front camera input, so if you did want to add one of KENWOOD's front cameras, also the HD camera that they do, I think it's the CMOS 320, or is it the, yeah, 320, so that can be also installed if you wanted a front facing camera. If you're looking for any aftermarket stereos, you can find us on Facebook and Instagram, or come see us our showroom on South Down Road, Great Yarmouth.